Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I made this Lego butterfly knife. If the tutorial is not good, dislike the video. But anyways, this is my Lego butterfly knife and I'll show you how to make it. Let's go. Okay, you want to take this piece and you want to put this piece on the bottom like this. Like so. Okay, what I'm about to put here, you don't really need this piece, but I just put it because it looks cool. You can put it if you want, but you could just put a 1x1 tile, or sorry, a 1x2 tile or whatever. Now you want to make two of these, the same thing. You want to grab 5 Technic pins, those little ones, and you want to grab a 9 hole pin, whatever, and you want to connect them like so. Oh wait, yeah. So yeah. Guys, you can only put 3 Technic pins, but I just put more because I had more and it would be more stable. And yeah, wait, don't put the Technic pin at the end like that. You'll see why. Yeah, you gotta get rid of that end Technic pin that's at the end, like so. You wanna get rid of it and just place it like so, like that. As you can see, place it like that. Yes. Now you want to make 2 of them. Do the same with the other one, like so. Now you should have 2 of these, as you can see. Alright, this one, it's easy. You just take these. This is I don't know. Pretty sure it's like something like a 6 or something. You want to do that one. And now you want to take your handles. You want to open them like so. You want to place them in the middle, like, in the middle. Let me show you. You want to do that. Alright, now we're gonna make the lock. The lock is pretty simple, and yeah, this is probably the easiest part. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.